Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Joshua with Board Moors. Today we're going to be reviewing the Stanley Stay Hot French Press. This French press with its stainless steel base and hammer-tone green exterior, there's no doubt about it, this thing is the Stanley. It features a double-wall vacuum-sealed body, an ergonomic handle for pouring, and a stainless steel insulated lid with the plunger. You can absolutely tell this thing was built to last. The press is rated for 4 hours of hot beverages, 9 hours for cold beverages, and up to 24 hours for iced beverages. Now, in addition to the double-walled body, a feature that really allows for such impressive numbers is the lid itself. Your lid allows you to close off the container, prevents you from spilling coffee when you move it around, but it also helps to seal in the heat when you're storing the coffee. So to use, there's a little arrow on top of the lid. You're going to line the arrow up with the mouth of the French press when you're ready to drink some coffee. So you line it up to pour, and then you just simply twist it to store. And it's that easy. Now, one thing I love about this press is its size. It's got a 48-ounce capacity, which allows you to make 6 8-ounce cups of coffee at one time, which is perfect for some friends to enjoy a morning cup of joe as they're sitting around the campfire. Another great thing is the fact that you can get into the canister easily because it's so large for cleaning. Another, which is pretty standard on most presses, the filter assembly itself simply unscrews from the plunger for easy cleaning as well. And for those of you that like to let machines do your dirty work, it is also dishwasher safe. Now, coming in at 2.5 pounds, this French press isn't exactly the one that I would take backpacking. However, it's perfect for camping, or in the case of my family, glamping. That's pretty much it for the press. I think it's time we go ahead and put this thing to the test. We're using around 75 grams of whole bean Kona classic coffee, and we're grinding it medium coarse. We preheated the interior of the press using hot water, and we're now adding the grounds. Once our pot of water is up to the optimal temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll add it to the press to begin the brewing process. Be sure to stop adding the water below the spot where the canister flares out. If you fill the press above that line, the grounds will go around the filter as you push it down, resulting in grounds in your coffee. Add the lid with the arrow facing to the side or aft to seal in the heat for brewing. After 4 minutes, your coffee is ready to filter. Now simply press the plunger into the coffee until it is all the way down. A gentle press prevents the grounds from being forced around the edge of the filter into your coffee. Now, I was curious about the heat loss associated with the brewing process, warming the grounds in the canister itself, and I found there was only 11 degrees of heat loss through the entire brewing process. Now, there's only one thing left for you to do. Grab yourself a cup, pour yourself some fresh, delicious coffee, and enjoy. Now, I've used a few different French presses over the years, and I must say this is one of the better ones, and without a doubt the most rugged one that I've used. It's very simple, easy to use, and it stands true to the Stanley brand. I'm very happy with the purchase. I'm glad that I went ahead and got it because I don't see myself needing another full-size French press anytime soon. This concludes the review of the Stanley Stay Hot French Press. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching Board Moors. Did I just spill?